Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to get bank statement online TD app. So make sure you watch till the very end because I'm going to show you the entire process step by step. So at first, you're going to access your online statements. So at first, head over to My Accounts and then you're going to click on Statements and Documents. After that, what you're going to do is head over to Activity and then click on Get Statements and Documents by Account drop down menu to make a selection, and then you're going to refine your results like how many months do you want it for the last 12 months or which year. And to open any statement, just click on that one and then it will be open. So if you see the one that you want to download, then what you're going to do is click on that one, and then if you already have a PDF viewer on your computer, that's fine. But if it's not, then you need to download Adobe Reader or something like that and just hit on download, and there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.